Okay, this is 4.2. Yeah, so this is 4.2. What is the value of m if the remainder is minus 44? Remember that the remainder theorem. The remainder theorem basically says if you want to find the remainder of any polynomial, division of any polynomial, just take the root of your divisor. Okay, what's the root of x minus 1? 1. Okay, so let's substitute 1 into our polynomial. 1 to the power of 3 minus m times 1 to the power of 2 minus 14 times 1 plus 9. And after you substitute your divisor, the root of your divisor, you should get your remainder. And they gave that our remainder in this case is minus 44. So can we solve for m? Yes, we can. 1 to the power of 3, 1. Minus m squared. Okay, it's minus 14 plus 9 equals minus 44. Okay, you're going to get minus m squared. Okay, 1 minus 14 is minus 13. Minus 13 plus 9 is minus 4. Okay, equals minus 44. Okay, then you take minus 4 to the other side. It's going to come minus m squared. Why did I put minus m squared? Ya Rab, Ya Rabbi. Minus m. It's 1 squared, not m squared. ليش حاطط m squared؟ ما بعرف. Okay, minus m equals minus 40. Divide by negative on both sides becomes m equals 40. Okay, there you go. Question 2. Okay, some of the questions here have numbers that are a bit big, like here. Okay, so again, we just have to substitute 5 if we want to find the remainder. Okay, you substitute the opposite, so it's going to be 3 times 5 cubed minus 11 times 5 squared plus 5 times 5 minus 25. Okay, so you're obviously going to have to do this on paper, but you should know, everybody should know 5 cubed is 125, 5 squared is 25. Okay, and 5 times 5 again, 25 minus 25. Okay, let's make our lives easier. Cancel this 25 and 25. So we're going to get 3 times 125 minus 11 times 25. Okay, 3 times 125 is going to be 375. 11 times 25 is going to be minus 275. Okay, and you're going to get 100. Okay, do it on paper. If some people might not want to use the remainder theorem, and they would prefer actually dividing it and finding the remainder. If you want, you can do that. That's completely fine. 5, 3 minus 11, 5 minus 25. Drag 3 down. 3 times 5, 15. Combined, you're going to get 4. 4 times 5, 20. 25. 25 times 5, 125. Minus 25 times 1. Sorry. Combine minus 25 and 125. You get 100. This also works, synthetic division. But if they say use remainder theorem, I'm not going to write it out, then obviously you have to use this way that I used at the start. Okay, this works. Okay, but لما بيجي لك مثلا question 3 and they give you 3x minus 1, then it would be easier to use the remainder theorem. You can't really use synthetic for this one. I think, I'm not sure, but I use the remainder theorem. So what's the root of 3x minus 1? Please don't say 1. Please, 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 please don't. Okay, if 3x, what's the root of 3x minus 1? You take 1 to the other side, then you divide by 3, so x equals 1 over 3. Okay, that's your root. So what do we substitute in this case? 1 over 3. So my root is 1 over 3. So I'm going to substitute 9 times 1 over 3 cubed plus 15 times 1 over 3 squared minus 3 times 1 over 3 plus 4. Okay, 1 over 3 cubed is 1 over 27. For those who don't know how, if you have a over b squared, it's equal to a squared over b squared. What am I saying? 1 over 3 cubed is equal to 1 cube over 3 cube. And you know 1 cube is just 1, but 3 cube is 27. Okay, plus 15 times 1 over 3 squared. So 1 squared over 3 squared. Okay, 1 squared is 1, 3 squared is 9. Okay, minus 3 times 1 over 3. I'll just put it like this. Okay, plus 4. Okay, let's make our lives a bit easier. 9 cancels with 27 and becomes 1 over 3. Divide by 9, divide by 9. Okay, 15 cancels with 9. It becomes 5, and this becomes 3. If you divide by 3 up and down, this becomes 5, this becomes 3. So it becomes 5 over 3. Okay, 3 cancels with 3. It becomes 1. It just becomes minus 1. Okay, and you have the plus 4 out here. Okay, 1 over 3 plus 5 over 3 is 6 over 3. Minus 1 plus 4. 6 over 3 is the same as 6 divided by 3, which is 2 minus 1 plus 4. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 4 is 5. So your remainder is 5. Question 4. Okay, this one, these numbers I doubt will come, but you know, we'll always solve just for the case of, you never know. P of 30, so let's substitute 30, 0.02 times 30 cube. Times 30 cube, sorry. Minus 0.12 times 30 squared. Okay, plus 2.5 times 30 minus 50. Okay, let's solve the powers first. 0.02 times 30 cube. 30 cube is gonna be, think of it like this, okay? 30, think of it like this. Let's do 3 cube, which is 27, and then just add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. That's just an easier way. Minus 0.12, 30 times 30 is obviously 900. The same rule applies, right? 3 squared is 9, then add just 2 zeros. Okay, plus 2.5 times 30. 2.5 times 30 is 75. Okay, if you don't know how to multiply decimals, then Habibi, go back to grade 2. Wallah, that's too much. Yeah, 30 times 2.5, you just multiply, then take it back by 1 decimal point. 0 times 5, 0, 2 times 5, 15, 0 down, 2 0 times 2, 3 times 2. You're going to get 750. Then since there's 1 decimal point, you just take it back by 1, comes 75. Okay, yani, explaining how to multiply decimals in grade 10 that's tragic, wallah. Okay, minus 50. 0.02 times 270,000. Okay, people are gonna see this, they're gonna get scared. They're gonna run away from the question. I don't know why. But it's very easy. Okay, it's the same thing as doing 270,000 1, 2, 3 times 2. Wow. Okay, when it's a decimal, you just multiply the real part. Okay, when you multiply this by 2, you're gonna get 540,000. Big numbers, huh? Oh, wait. 27,000. Sorry, forgot. It's 1 0 missing. My fault. Okay, 27,000. I don't know why I put an extra one. 27,000. Okay, so when you multiply this by 2, you're going to get 54,000. Okay, but there's 2 decimal places. What do you do? 1, 2, 540. Okay, so this becomes 540. Okay, same thing here. 0.12 times 900. Same thing. 900 times 12. You're going to multiply, you're going to get 1,080. No, Z. You're gonna get, let's just multiply 0 times 2, 0, 0, 18, 0 down, 0, 0, 9. Okay, 0, 0, 8, 1, 0. Yeah, you're gonna get this, okay? But it's 0.12, right? So 1, 2 decimal points. So let's go 1, 2. You're gonna get 108. Okay, so minus 108 plus 75 minus 50. 540 minus 18 is 432. Plus 75 minus 50, let's make our life easier, is 25. Okay, then let's add this. 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 3, 5, and nothing to add to the 4, so 457. Okay, so that's it for question 4. Question 5. Question 5 is easy, it's calm. Okay, we just have to substitute 1 into this, very easy. 4 times 1 to the power of 4 plus 15. 1 to the power of 4 is 1 times 4 is 4 plus 15, 19. Question 6. Okay, again, same thing. We're dividing by x minus 1, so you just substitute the 1. 3 times 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 times 1 to the power of 2 plus 40 equals 3 times 1 to the power of 3 is 3. 3 times 1 to the power of 2, again 3, plus 40, 46. That's it for 4.2. Thank you so much for watching.